What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G coming at y'all from the car today because it is a little bit rainy outside. So I figured I'd start the love vlog in here. But today we are doing lowering springs on the Beamer. H&R lowering springs. If y'all see my last video, you seen that we picked them up. But we threw actually the fronts on last night because I had posted them on my story. And my homie Craig had slid up and was like, yo, let's do them. And I was like, fuck it. So I pulled up like late night. We knocked out the fronts. I'm gonna put some clips in of us doing it. Late night spring install. That boy's making a strut spreader tool, bro. Got that baby out. It was kind of dark and like I didn't record a lot, but we got the fronts done. We made some like makeshift spring spreader tool, knocked them out. It wasn't too hard once we had made that tool. And then then we got stuck on the back because you need like a bigger Torx bits that we didn't have. And so today is basically part two. The fronts are done. I'm driving around basically in a fucking drag car, like the bit tooted up. But I'm going to grab these tools and then we're headed back over there to finish the backs. So yeah, we gonna head to Harbor Freight, grab these tools, and then we're gonna be on the way and y'all gonna see us do the backs. We have arrived at Harbor Freight, finna grab these Torx bits and be on the way. Bruh, so Harbor Freight was sold out of all of those hoes, bruh. And last night we went to Walmart at like 10 o'clock trying to find some. Couldn't get none. Woke up early, went to Harbor Freight to get some. Sold out. So now I'm going to Home Depot to try to find some. So I'll let y'all know in a minute. Bruh, after 3 fucking stores, your boy found a set of E-Torx. I believe the one for the rear is E20. But we about to see when I pull up. Now we back on the road to my boy Colton and Craig's house. And we gonna hopefully knock them out. This rain is a bitch, bro. It always picked the weekend to be rainy, man. I swear. Like, you be at work all week. It'd be sunny as fuck, nice as hell. You'd be like, man, I can't wait for the weekend. Weekend come, it's raining. Like, it never fails, bro. So now we're working on the rears. As y'all can see, I mean, it's kind of jacked up, but the fronts maybe dropped an inch or two. I'd say like 2 inches. But it was an E20 on the rear in case. I mean, there's a million videos on these springs out there. But this bolt in the back for the lower control arm, it's an E20. So that's what I needed yesterday that we didn't have. So we got the old spring out. Here go the new one. There go Coco. We're gonna throw this hoe back in. It's gonna be a wrap. Reinstall the lower control arm bolts, jack it up, and then onto the other side. As you can see, we got the new spring in there sitting. Had to install the top rubber and the bottom rubber, but now we're just lining this control arm up so we can slide the bolts back in there and then tighten it up. So we finished the springs. I didn't feel the need to record the other side because it's literally the same process. There's like 20 other videos on YouTube with in-depth installation of springs. So if y'all want like a full in-depth guide, obviously this is not the video. But impression driving already, I can feel it's a lot more stiff, like around corners. Like it just feels like better. Personally, I like a stiffer ride. Like it's still like dailyable, obviously. Like just on it just feels a little bit more stiff. I like it. I can't wait till it's not fucking raining so I can actually like do some turns and see how they ride. I think it's a 2-inch drop in the back, maybe a 1.5 in the front, or maybe 2 in the front. But yeah, it's a little bit stiffer. Still rides great. I mean, it feels like this should have been OEM, on God. When it gets sunny, I'll give a more in-depth walk around. And here's a little look in the rain. As you can see, the back's really good how it's fitting. I mean, obviously it's got a meaty-ass tire on it. The front, I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a few days to settle, but it's definitely a little bit lower. Probably got about maybe like a 2-finger gap in there, so it definitely got lower. And it's definitely, I would say it's great for a daily driver. It didn't take too long. The front, just if you're like gonna do this at home, the front, you definitely want a spring spreader tool or the strut spreaders tool, that will make the process 100 times easier. The front's probably 30 minutes to take it out, probably 30 minutes to put it back on each side, so probably an hour on the fronts, or 2 hours on the fronts. And then the backs are stupid easy. 2 bolts, undo, 2 bolts, pull them out, drop the control arm, drop the spring, put it in. Probably the backs probably took like literally an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So it's not a bad job, maybe 3-4 hours. You got a couple homies and you bored, y'all can definitely knock it out, because a shop will probably charge you like $500 to do this, and then plus the spring. So yeah. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this little vlog or whatever. You know, obviously it wasn't a full in-depth thing, as I said, but I hope y'all still enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment. More shit to come. As y'all seen in my last video, we got new taillights to come. We got super wheels to go on. We gonna paint the wheels and put them on. So y'all stay tuned, click the bell so y'all know my next upload, because a shit ton to come for this car. We got flex fuel, new wheels, new taillights. I got a catch cam for it. It's gonna be crazy, bro. We're gonna be custom tuned soon. So y'all stay tuned. But I'm gonna stop yapping. Y'all have a good one. Bye.